If you're looking to import contacts into Salesflare, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process so you can start leveraging Salesflare's powerful CRM features in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly import your contacts and hit the ground running. First, let's get started by logging into your Salesflare account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up for completely free using the link in the description below. With that link, you'll also get an exclusive bonus that will help you get the most out of the software. Now, once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Contacts tab. This is where all your contact management happens and where we'll be importing your list. Next, look for the Import button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few options to bring in your contacts. Salesflare supports importing contacts from multiple sources, including CSV files, other CRMs, and even directly from email providers like Gmail and Outlook. For this example, let's import a CSV file. If you're importing from a CSV, simply click on CSV and upload the file from your computer. It's important that your CSV is formatted correctly for Salesflare to recognize the data properly. Ensure that the columns match the types of data Salesflare expects, such as first name, last name, email address, company name, and phone number. If your CSV is in the right format, Salesflare will automatically map the columns for you, saving you time. Once the file is uploaded, you'll have a chance to preview the data. This step is crucial. Make sure everything looks good here. You can make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once you're confident that everything is in order, click on the Import button and Salesflare will take care of the rest. Your contacts will be added to your account and you'll be ready to start managing them effectively. One of the best features of Salesflare is how it automatically organizes your contacts and tracks interactions, making follow-ups a breeze. It even has built-in automation that can help you nurture leads and maintain relationships, all while keeping your CRM clean and organized. And here's something cool. Salesflare integrates with your email and calendar systems to capture contacts from your communication, so you don't even need to manually import everything. It works in the background, constantly pulling in contacts and adding them to your CRM without you having to lift a finger. As you start importing contacts, keep in mind that you can also filter, sort, and segment your contacts based on specific criteria. This is where Salesflare really shines in helping you build your customer database and focus on the relationships that matter the most. Now, before we wrap up, remember that if you're new to Salesflare, you can use the software for free by signing up with the exclusive link in the description. This gives you full access to the features plus some awesome bonuses. Make sure you check it out for a more seamless experience with your contacts. To summarize, importing contacts into Salesflare is simple and straightforward. Whether you're using CSV files, integrating from email, or pulling contacts from other platforms, Salesflare makes it easy to keep all your contacts organized and ready to engage. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial and exclusive bonuses available through the link below. Start importing your contacts today and get the most out of your Salesflare experience.